Hey friends, I'm Haley from Snuggle Bugz, and today I am going to install the Clek Liing infant car seat in my car. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the load leg, so you just pull out, and then that is going to go flat against the bottom. So there's an indicator on here that will turn from red to green when it is in a secure position. So I'm going to pull out here, pull it down, and it will release and turn from red to green when it is secure. Then I'm going to go right here, there's a little latch on either side, and that, when it shows red, will allow me to pull out my UAS adapters. So I'm going to do that on the other side as well, pull those out, and then I'm going to line them up with my lower latch anchor system in my car, and push it in, and you'll see an indicator that turns from red to green there. Do the same thing on the other side. Then, once that is in the car, we're going to tighten it. So to tighten it, I'm just going to push in until I hear the click on both sides, and there's no red showing in either of these UAS adjustments, and you'll see there's no more than 1 inch of wiggle room from side to side. So one of the great things about this car seat is that you can install the recline angle of the car seat once the base is already installed. So there's a bubble level indicator here, and I can move into 7 different positions based on the angle of my car seat and the weight of my baby. So there's a whole bunch here. And then if I'm bringing my newborn home from the hospital, I'm going to want my bubble in between 4 and 11 pounds. So there you'll see, and I'm ready to put my bucket on. So then, now that I know that my bubble angle adjuster is all set, I am going to put my carrier right on top, and it just clicks right in, and we are all set to ride. And you'll know that you're all set to ride because once this clicks in, the red disappears right here. So to release, you're going to do this. It stays red. Once you're secured, the red disappears. Okay, so to sum it up, the things that we love about the Clek Liing infant car seat are the load leg that you won't find on many other seats in Canada, especially ones that also have a rigid latch install like we just demonstrated. It is made in Canada, which we love. Clek is a Canadian company, and it also has a 100 UPF canopy, whereas most canopies are 50 plus.